Hello everyone, my name is Onyinyechi Udo. I'm here to present my final project, part 2 on GPH 732 Community Assessment Project. The overview of the assessment. Community health assessment entails a carefully planned process designed to choose communities that will deliver strategic outcome in improving and promoting the health of the community. It is also a process that is used in identifying the many assets and resources that are available and that can be proved to be used in promoting healthy living for the community. The usefulness of this community assessment is to mobilize the community and identify the skills and resources in the community to be used in developing a sustainable interventional program that will improve and reduce their priority health concern. My community for this assessment is Camden City, New Jersey. Camden is an urban city located between two waterways, the Cooper Rivers and Delaware. The city of Camden is known as one of the most violent and poorest cities in the United States of America. The socio-economic and demographic factors of these communities were identified. The identified socio-economic indicators are income and poverty. The city of Camden has been identified as a community of low income and poverty, and a poor community is a vulnerable population because they will be unable to attain to their needs. Housing is another socio-economic indicator used in assessing this community. Most houses in Camden are old. Some are stacked together in multiple units, and they make the environment overcrowded and dirty. Demographic factors examined are the population and population density, race and ethnicity, age and sex, and this helps in community assessment by revealing the issues of concern in a community. The population of the city of Camden in 2017 is 253,400. The assessment method used is the windshield survey and interview. The objective of conducting this windshield is to obtain initial data of Camden City through driving to determine access of Camden information to the community. The interview described the community's overall socioeconomic to be poor, and that demographic profile shows that there were more blacks in the community. The theoretical framework that was adopted is the driving force that gears health promotion through directing a perspective that will achieve the behavioral, environmental, social, economic, and political goals. Mobilizing for action through planning and partnership (MAP) was adopted, and this will allow a range of community engagement with the Camden City government, non-governmental organizations, public health care professionals, partners, community residents to collaboratively determine approaches that will improve every area of Camden City public health system. This theory that is adopted has 6 steps, and they are as follows: organize for success or partnership development, visioning, assessment, strategic issues, goal and strategy, action circle. An action circle is the last step, and it brings together the planning and organization process, and this step consists of planning, implementation, and evaluation. Health profile assessment. The importance of public health profile is to provide health information, and the use of health information will help in making plans and taking decisions on ways to eradicate health inequalities and improve people's health in the community. Identified health indicators are life expectancy. Male life expectancy in Camden is 76, while that of New Jersey and the nation is 78 and 76 respectively. The absence of health insurance has also attributed as a barrier to health. The Camden City violent crime compared to the state and the nation is 563%. Other health indicators are social and mental health, smoking, motor accident. The health priority for community is cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease have examined the association between socio-economic factor for cardiovascular disease, and it was noted that lower educational level is associated with hypertension, smoking, and high cholesterol. Lower socioeconomic population are subjected to cardiovascular disease. Age, sex, and race are the demographic characteristics associated with cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease affects adults, and also it cuts across all ages and in Camden City. African Americans are more prone to suffer from cardiovascular disease or heart disease. Community assets and capabilities. Community assets are a collection of resources at the disposal of individuals and community which can be leveraged in developing effective programs that will promote social inclusion and improve the health and well-being of a community. For instance, in designing and implementing of effective lifestyle modification on health issues in a community. Assessment finding. Finding noted as social and economic factors were the major determinants of community health status. For instance, lack of education, poverty was found to have affected the health of the population and has caused a growing unmet need in the community. Finding also observed strength of the community with available education programs that support their community members. Recommendation. The first recommendation is to reform employment services. This will help in promoting jobs, making jobs available for the community. Second recommendation is to implement programs and services that will encourage community participation. And the third recommendation for this assessment is to develop policies that encourage health promotion to be implemented. Thank you.